score, score, score.
Why are you crying? Stop it. Don't lick the snot. Nasty. Look at that ugly face. It's way past bedtime, but children don't know what that is, so. Just gonna play all night, every night and day. Go get it then.
Oh, good. Ooh.
And then we're going through potty training with this one, so we have to wear onesies to sleep because he'll pull his pamper off in the middle of the night, and I'll come in there whenever she screams to give her a bottle, and then he'll just be butt naked, sleep. Or as soon as he takes a poo or pee, he pulls everything around his ankles. So onesie at nighttime until we're potty trained. Isn't that right, Bubba?
Kick the ball. Toss the ball.
Happy meal.
No, you can't have all three. Give her one.
Fans in the stands, clapping their hands. Oh, let's go score, score, score. 9, 10.
Oh.
Fans in the stands, clapping their hands. Cheering.
Don't run over Sissy.
Score, score, score.
No, 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 no. You're gonna run over Sissy.
Yeah!
He's actually scared of that toy. He has yet to ride it. Push the button.
Ready to
Push the button.
start the car. Off we
Push the button. You don't want to push. No, 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 Mama. Casey. Oh my Lord. Y'all are crazy. Come here, girl. You know what? All they do is snatch stuff from each other all day long.
No.
cheering. Let's go, score, score, score. Ready to
Say hi.
the car. Off we go. Explore with
Say hi. You gonna say hi? No? Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Won't you play some sports with me?
Be careful with that.
Can you kick the
Oh
ball?
my Lord. Now you can push the button. Push the button. Start your car.
Fans in the stands,
Push it.
clapping their hands.
He like,
Cheering.
hell
Let's go,
no.
score, score,
He's still
score.
scared of it. He just got it like at the beginning of the week. He's pushing it. They crack me up.
Kick the ball. the ball. Show me your sports.
Vroom, vroom.
A, B, C, D,
Vroom.
E, F, G.
You gotta push the button, Bubba. Yeah. Push it. He's like, no, I know what happens when you push that button. Let me get off this ride. Come on, man. That's a cool toy. A pillow.
You kick the ball.
Finally want to go night-night? He being cute because he do not like to go to sleep. You ready to go night-night?
Fans in the stands.
Are you trying to hit me with it? Look at this, crazy. Hit you with it. You almost got me. Crazy.
So good.
You gonna show him how you punch? Punch. Punch, punch. Really? Is that so, Mama? Yeah. Look at you being a big girl. Now hurry up and walk, because you're getting too heavy for me. Mm-hmm. Oh, Lord! Okay. Okay. Say hi, Mama. No? Okay. Say hi. Say hi, Bubba. Okay. That's Sissy's toy. It's for Sissy. Yeah, but she doesn't like it either. There's your car, and then here's your other car that you don't like. No. And then a third car. You want to go night-night? You over exaggerating. What are you doing? Oh, Lord. Oh, you hit Sissy. What is with that? What is that? What is that? What is that? You're okay, Mama. Be a big girl. Be a big girl. Ugh. You hit me. Yeah. How about them apples? How about them apples? Sucker. Yeah. I need help. I'm getting attacked by kids. These kids keep beating me up, bae. When are you gonna walk, Mama? You're almost a year old. You're almost grown. Yeah. 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 All right, kiddos. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here. Say night-night. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye, Mama? Huh, Mama? Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? I'm all in your grill, homegirl. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ba-ba-ba. 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 Yeah. Ba-ba-ba. Say bye-bye, pretty girl. Say bye-bye.
Bye, baby.
Alright, guys. That's it for this nighttime video with the kiddos. What we do for about 50 hours, it feels like, before we actually go to sleep. And then when I put them in the bed, you can just hear him in there banging his feet against the wall because he has a toddler bed now, so he can actually get out of the bed and roam free. And then she's now in the crib. She used to be in like a little playpen until we got him a toddler bed. But yeah, so now he can get out and run around and play himself to sleep. And sometimes I'll come in there and then he'll sleep everywhere. It's so funny. Anyway, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the night. Well, not spending the night, but, you know, chilling with us before bedtime. That's what we'll call this one. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.